Hi Builderall stars, this is Erick Salgado and welcome to the Builderall 4.0 launch. The whole team and I are very excited about this launch since this is going to be the biggest and the most tested launch we ever done. Actually, I think this is going to be one of the biggest launches in this industry, and it will happen during the whole month of October. That means we are going to start on October 1st and finish on October 31st. In 1 minute, I will talk to you about the $165,000 in prices we are going to give on this launch. But first, I want to talk to you about what is the Builderall 4.0. Builderall 4.0 is where we actually leave all the beta behind. We know we had some hiccups and growing pains on the past. We know we have a huge competitor who sets the bar really high. And we know our customers are mostly sophisticated and experienced marketers. And the reason we have some hiccups is because nobody ever did what we did. We were the first ones to create a monster platform like Builderall, and that's not an easy task. Especially when you have to pave the way and you have nobody to look because you are creating your own category. But it's okay, it's all gone, it's all in the past now. Matter of fact, people who are using Builderall right now are in love with the platform. Everything is working smoothly and we have amazing top-notch tools for all business. Builderall 4.0 is all about quality, trust, and the most powerful and complete digital marketing platform ever built. Some of the new things we are going to bring on this launch is the world's first drag-and-drop real funnel builder, a state-of-the-art tool where you will be able to build your funnel blueprint, create pages, tags, automation, split test, email sequence, checkout, and in the end of the whole thing, the system will create the real funnel for you. The system will create the real website for you. So this is not just a blueprint, it's a real funnel builder. And one more cool thing is the all funnel analytics you will have with funnel simulation and funnel real data and numbers. Besides that, we will also have the Cheetah website builder done. That means that we have no bugs and everything is working smoothly. And you probably already know there is no way you can compare Cheetah website builder with any other tool in this industry. We are just superior in everything. The other platforms, they have page builders, and that's a long way to go until a website builder. And Builderall has a real website builder. Talking about Cheetah, we are also going to release the Cheetah Turbo templates, the fastest pages in the industry. Like your pages are going to load in 0.0001 second. It's totally insane. And along with this, we still have a lot of big news and updates, such as the e-commerce feature inside the super checkout, and much more like the funnel club with more than 400 funnels for you to download, edit, and promote. Builderall 3.0 was already the most complete digital marketing platform in the industry. Builderall 4.0 will be the most powerful. Okay, now talking about the $165,000 in prizes. This time we are going to do something very different. We want you, our Builderall affiliate, to be proud of participating in this launch with us. First, because you will be promoting the best digital marketing platform in the industry. And by the way, on our launch we have everything done. We are not selling promises or beta products. But you will also be proud because we are going to participate in the biggest promo ever made so far in this industry. In this competition, the first place is going to get this Porsche Cayman, Porsche 718 Cayman, the value will be something around $60,000, and that could be yours if you are the first place on the competition. The second place on the competition is going to get this Ford F-150, $20,000 value. The third place on the competition is going to get this Chevy Camaro, $25,000 value. But we want to see a lot of people leaving the launch with valuable prices. We are not going to create a lot of prices shrinking the value. For example, other companies, they are doing like the 20th place are going to leave with a gift certificate. Come on, really? Here on Builderall, we're going to do something amazing. From the 4th to the 40th place, you are going to leave this launch with a MacBook Pro 13 inches. This guy right here. Let me show you. There you go. That's the guy. Okay, there you go. Here it is. So we are talking about 37 other people leaving the launch with a real good tool for you to work on your digital marketing business. As you know, a MacBook Pro is an amazing tool for you to work online. And by the way, this is only on Builderall. Besides the prices, as you know, when you are promoting Builderall, you earn 100% commissions on your first payment, 30% commissions on all the recurring payments, and 30% commissions on the recurring payments on your second tier. 100% commissions are only on Builderall, and this is crazy profitable. 30% additional on your second tier gives you a huge leverage. So even if you don't make the prices, you are going to make a lot of money on this launch. So that's it, a huge launch for an amazing product, and we need you to make this the biggest launch in 2020. Now, who can be an affiliate and join the launch? Everybody can be an affiliate and join the Builderall 4.0 launch. If you are a Builderall Premium user, you already have your affiliate approved, and all you have to do is get your launch material on your dashboard. If you are not a Builderall user, it's okay, you can still fill the form below and apply for affiliation. So please make sure you read everything on this page and let's make history together. Thank you for being a partner, and I can't wait to give you your price and pay you thousands of dollars in commissions. So what's the next step? Join our Facebook affiliate community and keep your eyes open for our communications on this page and by email, and you can find the Facebook button on the bottom of this page. This is it. Let's make some money, and I will see you inside our groups, or maybe riding a Porsche. Where is the Porsche? Here we go. Take care. Bye-bye.